channel. My name is Rhea, and in today's video I will be reviewing a product that claims to give you a lifted, glowing and youthful skin. Who doesn't love that, right? Plus it is going to give you a facial spa like treatment at home at a very budget friendly prices. Now you know this feeling outside is going to be super expensive, but you can do this within just 3 to 4 minutes at home and it will give you such a relaxing session after your tired day. Now I'm talking about the Protouch Skin Lift Device. Now let's find out if it lives to the claims that the product makes. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and now without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's start with what comes in the package. So the first and the hero product, that is going to be the Protouch Skin Lift Device, and the second thing in the box will be a USB cable which is used to recharge this particular device. Now let's talk about the key features about the device. It basically has red, blue and green LED light therapy for different skin concerns. Also has thermal heating to open pores and improve product absorption. It also has sonic vibrations for better blood circulation and relaxation. It also comes with an ergonomic head that is specifically designed to contour your face. And one bonus tip that I have to tell you is that it comes with a USB cable, so it makes it very easy to charge anywhere you go, and you can travel with this product anywhere in the world. Now here's how you need to use this product. It's very simple and easy to use. Now let me give you a demo on how you can use this product. So basically you get the Skin Lift Recovery Drops free with the product. And let me open it and show you how it is from inside. And this is how the product looks like. It looks like basically a marker, I would say. And now you will just open it, and if you open it, you will see that there is a metal ball that will be working as a roll-on your face. So I'll just roll it all over my face where I want to use the product. So it's very easy to use. As you can see, it's mess free as well. One more thing, how you can bring the product to the tip is you just have to push it from behind. And that is how the product comes out. Now I'll show you how I use the product. It's very easy to use. You just have to press and hold this button here and the device will turn on, as you can see. Again, to change the setting to red, green, blue or hot, you just have to click this button once and it keeps moving to the setting that you want and the light pops, so you know which setting you are using. Now the red light is for anti-aging and fine line. The blue light is for calming the skin and also fighting acne causing bacteria. The green light is for reducing hyperpigmentation, dark spots and to give you an even toned skin. Now I'll show you how I use this product to do the skin lift actually that is supposed to be done with the product. So basically I put it to the setting that I want. So I'll show you the green setting right now. Little bit on my forehead, my cheeks. Now for the face. Now for your forehead. I think if you notice the screen, you can already see the sculpting effect on my face. I am super duper surprised. This is how you do it. Always pull your skin upwards and not downwards. That could be a wrong action. All the details about the light and how to use it and why to use that particular light is given in this small booklet or pamphlet that comes free with the product. Now, I recommend using this product for about 5 to 10 minutes so that you feel that relaxation. If you use it just for 1 to 2 minutes, you won't see great results, but if you use it for 5 to 10 minutes or max to max for 15 minutes, you will enjoy the relaxation that your face will actually feel, and you will also see quick results on your face with that great lift to your skin. Now let me talk about my experience about this product. I've been using it for 2 weeks to be honest, and the first thing that I want to talk to you about is that the LED light therapy that it has is something that actually was very innovative. As a physiotherapist, I know how it works and it was very easy to use. That was the best part about the product. Also, it's very gentle on the skin and it's risk-free also. And the one light that I love about the product is the red light, because it actually boosts collagen and you know it's great for dry skin. So that is the reason I love using the red light most of the times. Thermal heating feature was great for me because it helps you absorb the product, because it gives maximum absorption of product, and also because it's heating, it feels so good during winters. It gives you that satisfactory relaxation that you need after a very tiring day, to be honest. Also, after consistent use, what I noticed is that it actually gives you a good lift to the skin. If you have saggy skin, if you have fine lines and wrinkles, this product is actually gonna work. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Now the pros, first things first. It's a very multifunctional device because it has LED light setting, it has thermal heating, and it also has sonic vibrations. So it's an overall great product. Also, the size is very compact and portable, so it's very convenient to carry around to your office, to your workspace, anywhere. Even if you're traveling, you can just take it with you. It's very lightweight and also compact. One more thing that I love of the product is that you can use this product with any serum. Don't use it with any exfoliating serums like AHAs, BHAs, or even with any oil-based serums, but for your hyaluronic acid, for your niacinamide, for your vitamin C, this product works like really great. You can use it with that as well. Whenever your recovery drops get over, you can switch the product with your serums that you use. Now, also one last pro that I had to say is that with regular usage, with religiously using the product, you'll actually see results. So that was also another thing that I really loved about the product. Now coming to the cons of the product. Now you have to be really patient with this product because you have to be really consistent when you use this product, and that is when you'll see results. You cannot expect overnight results with the product. And the second thing is that you might feel it's a bit pricey, but I'll be honest, it is worth it because you get that spa-like feeling at home, and if you go out, you just spend the same amount of product for just one session, but this one can last you a really longer, and it comes with 1-year warranty. So it's definitely a product to invest in and a great product. Now, if you ask me for whom this product is meant for, first, someone who is looking to improve the skin elasticity and the firmness of the skin. Second, someone who wants to reduce early signs of aging. And third, someone who wants to relax their face after a long day. So basically, if someone wants a spa at the end of the day, this product is meant for you all. Also, it is suitable for all skin types, so there's nothing to be worried about. It's risk-free as well. It's totally safe to use. Now coming to the final verdict. As I said in the start of the video, now if you find this review helpful, you know what to do. Go like this video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you loved it, and if you want me to review any other product, do let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!